Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Vivo Y300, a smartphone that blends modern design with impressive features. Starting with its exterior, the Vivo Y300 boasts a sleek and contemporary look. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The screen offers a full HD plus resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels, delivering vibrant and sharp images. With a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 86.7%, the device provides an immersive viewing experience. The phone is available in titanium silver, carbon black, and emerald green, catering to various aesthetic preferences. Additionally, it has an IP64 rating, offering dust and water resistance for added durability. Under the hood, the Vivo Y300 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures efficient performance for daily tasks and multitasking. The device offers two storage options, 128 GB and 256 GB, both utilizing UFS 2.2 technology for faster data access. For photography enthusiasts, the Y300 features a dual rear camera setup, comprising a 50MP primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor. This setup allows for detailed images and portrait shots with a pleasing background blur. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera with an f2.5 aperture, ensuring clear and sharp self-portraits. Audio quality is enhanced with stereo speakers, providing a richer sound experience. However, it's worth noting that the device lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 ABG NAC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. The Vivo Y300 houses a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, supporting 80W wired charging, which can charge the device up to 80% in just 30 minutes. This ensures that users can quickly power up their device and stay connected throughout the day. In conclusion, the Vivo Y300 presents a compelling package with its sleek design, vibrant display, capable performance, and robust battery life. It caters to users seeking a balanced smartphone experience without compromising on essential features. Whether you're into photography, media consumption, or multitasking, the Y300 is equipped to handle your daily needs efficiently.